Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're gonna check Electrolux walk-in chiller. It's a compact, guys. This is a pipeless. This is the condensing unit. The defrost is run by hot gas, and condensing unit is installed inside this store. As you notice, there is an exhaust fan, and this is the evaporator. Behind it is its condensing unit. It's like a window type aircon, and the controller is Cellular IWC750LX. The issue, guys, is not cooling, so we're going to check what is the culprit. Look carefully with the kilometer reading, guys. It will start in a few seconds. After the delay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. As you notice, guys, the reading goes to 30 and even go up to 50. This is a bad compressor. Again. The issue, guys, is a high ampere compressor. Let's play it in slow motion. This issue, guys, is non-repairable. The only remedy to it is to replace the compressor. This walk-in chiller is run by 1 1/4 horsepower, and the stock compressor is Hvacr. If you try to look for the replacement, you should take the model number of the compressor and try to Google it up, and the Google will tell you what are the aspect for this compressor. And if it is not available in your country, you need to buy same horsepower. You may disregard the brand, but the problem are the low side and high side pipes may be differ from the original. That's all for today, guys. Thank you and God bless.